that, they can still interact verbally with peers, so they're not lacking in that department. And I think communication's, a big part of making friends and interacting with peers.
Okay, sounds good. Jennifer?
I think if their vision is impaired, they may have trouble picking up on social cues like body language from their peers. And just like with hearing impaired, they may be more isolated from others just because of their disability. Maybe other students won't invite them to play or to join, or they, just because of their impairment, may not, seek out social interaction.
Okay, absolutely. So I kind of jotted a few things down that you just said, but certainly their inability to see social cues is huge. Of the categories, what I want to do is just have you spend, and I'll set the timer so we don't get out of hand. I'll set it for 10 minutes, and you'll have 10 minutes to, if you want to look up in the textbook bird, or if you want to look up, just do a Google search on the internet. I want you to give me some information about this disability category. Okay, we have 8 of them and 13 of us here, so we're going to have duplication. Ashley and Chris, just give me the gist of that condition, in a sentence or two. And then, I guess just so you can find some important facts or interesting facts about it, but you've only got 10 minutes, so don't kill yourself on this. So do Google.
Children. And what's amazing is these adult and children sometimes are not aware that they have the disease. And the child or adult system is not able to obtain and retain adequate energy from food. So they have a lack of energy. And if it's not treated, it would affect their body parts like their eyes or what else? Their kidneys. And there are different types of diabetes, or diabetes 1, and the most common is type 2. And it results from insulin resistance. The body.
And for this class, you're just responsible for the stages going into identity, which, identity and confusion and such, so that role confusion. So
the addition table to the number 5, I come up with the answer of 13,053, which is incorrect.
I did number 7, and it came out to 64, which is obviously wrong, but it's also time-consuming to have to look up at the chart constantly.
For number 6, I actually got 10, which kind of threw me off because I knew it was 6 mentally, but when I looked at the chart, it said 10.